All right, here's a quick video on how to read the workouts and some tips on understanding what you're going to be doing through each set of each day. Okay. First off, we'll start with the Monday, first day of the week. Remember, this is ongoing. So whatever day you join the program, you can just pick up from that day and start, and it will just continue to go throughout the each week as you go along. If you want to go back, you have access to as far back as you need to. But we're going to start with this demo on Monday. So Monday, the first thing you do, go to your coach's instructions. There is a link to the summary video.
All right, my
Okay.
people.
Um, as well as information specifically about the strength you're going to do for that first day. That summary video is for the whole week, guys. So if you watch that video, they're usually 10 to 13 minutes long, and they have a little breakdown of each workout of each day of the week. Okay. There will be strength notes for the individual day. So this is Monday's strength information, Monday's Metcon, metabolic conditioning information, some points for kind of how to attack it and what to expect when you get to that part. All right. Looking at the structure of the workouts, there's always going to be some sort of warm up. Okay. Section A is always going to be warm up. When you have something that's listed, it's for instance here, 2 minute row, bike, jog, or jump rope. You can do 2 minutes of either one of those things as an option to start your warm up with. Okay. Then you follow down the list. If you click on that, there will be a little video, a little picture here. You can click on that picture. It will bring you to videos for all of the movements listed in that workout, so you have an idea of what to do. Okay? Whether it's a workout, a warm up, or cool down, whatever. If there's videos needed, just click on that one picture. It'll open all of them up. All right? So that's your warm up. For the strength work, there's usually going to be some kind of strength. How many reps, how many you put in, what weight you want to do. There's a little explanation of what to, how to attack that set of work, as well as video for the movement. For the circuit, same thing. It's going to tell you what you're scoring. You're scoring total reps. It's 4 reps, right? With information about the movement that's in there, and click on that. And again, it will take you to all the videos for the movements in that circuit or that Metcon. Okay. When you're scoring, you click on the button for reps, and then you count your total reps in that workout. All right. Skill after your accessory work or finishing work at the end of the workout, and then your cool down. All right. So that's an example of one day. Now the next one we're going to see an example of what we call a superset. So the same thing applies, right? You go to that first day, and go back, and you click on Coach's Notes. It gives you your strength and your Metcon. The video is not there because that video is only on Monday for the whole week. This is the next day of the week. So information, okay, your warm up, your strength work, B1, B2, B3. This is a superset of work. So if you look here, right, do one set of each, alternating for 3 sets, rest a minute after each round of the 3 exercises. So a superset means you do B1, B2, B3, then you take a break. Then you do B1, B2, B3, then you take a break, right? So you're doing each of these sets in order, then you take a break after all of the work is done, okay? It's not really meant to get your heart rate up. It's more meant to get you volume of working and make your muscles more tired, okay? Then you have your circuit, your Metcon, the same thing. It has a score right there, 4 rounds. You track how many rounds you get of this work in the 17 minutes, and then your accessory work and your cool down. All right. The next day, we're going to have an example of something that looks like a superset, but it's not. Okay. Everything else is the same. You do the same thing, but C1 and C2 here are options. So the work is pull-ups, wide grip weighted pull-ups, accumulate 15 challenging reps. There's a C2 because it says accumulate 15 challenging reps, self-assisted. Now, this is an option. Okay. This is an option. This does not mean you're doing pull-ups and then you're doing pull-ups, right? I think we have here in the notes, if you look, if you do self-assisted, make sure you're getting the most out of it, okay? So when you see something that is a movement that maybe you can't do and there's another movement in what looks like a superset, that's probably the option. Either in the notes or in the actual workout itself, it will say this is an option or this is a scale or this is a modification that is available to you. You don't need to do both of those sets of work. All right, that would be too much. Right? And as always, if you have questions, just ask. That's mostly it, guys. There's one other one I want to say. I think we kind of went over it. Yeah, here we go. Circuit 4 reps. Right? This is an 18-minute EMOM. For the first 9 minutes, you're going back and forth between these things. Notice it says 30 seconds max calorie on the rower, calories on an air bike, or burpees, right? So for 30 seconds, you're going to do one of those things, however many calories you can on a rower or a bike, or however many burpees you can. You don't have to try to do all of them, right? Whenever it's listed like that with options of movements with commas, that means you can pick one of those things and do those based on your fitness level, based on equipment or space, whatever it may be. All right. Hopefully that answers some questions. If you have any questions about how to read workouts, just ask. We're always there to help.